This beautiful home in Macomb Township has absolutely everything you need to entertain. You've got a pool, a gazebo, a fire pit. You've got a theater in the basement, everything that your heart desires. So it's got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a finished basement with a theater to die for, space for your pool table, your card table, everything that you need. Now inside you're going to see not only do you have 4 bedrooms, but you also still have a first floor office and a first floor master. So if that's what you're looking for, this is going to check all the boxes. So why don't we go in and take a look? Are you looking to be in Macomb Township, but you want a pool? Well, look no further. This is a hard to find home. The yard is so deep, you have yard in addition to the pool, and you don't back up directly to a house. I mean, how incredible is that? You have to check out this home. Here we are in Macomb Township, this beautiful home hitting the market. I actually live and work in Macomb Township. I've raised my family here. I know it very well. It is a top-notch school district, award-winning. You've got Chippewa Valley Schools, Dakota High School, and what's really hard to find in Macomb Township is a yard that is this deep. You can get to Macomb Rec Center, where I've had lots of birthday parties with schools and an indoor water park. You can get to shopping. I can get to Home Depot and Lowe's and all those different stores, multiple locations within 10-15 minutes. I can get to Partridge Creek Mall. It's great outdoor living space. I can get to Somerset. I can get to highway access. So many wonderful shopping, great school, great community, great place to live and raise your family. If you have any questions about this home, reach out. If this home doesn't work for you, guess what? We have other homes ready to hit the market. I want you to come take a look at this home because this has all the boxes checked. Take a look.